Hello students, myself Amrita Srivastav and I am faculty of US Academy and Institute, Gorakhpur. Today we are going to discuss class 5 English first, and this is our second poem. The title is A Good Play and the writer of this poem is Robert Louis Stevenson. So let's read poem one more time. We built a ship upon the stairs, all made of back bedroom chairs, and filled it full of soft pillows to go a sailing on the billows. We took a saw and several nails and water in the nursery pails. And Tom said that let's also take an apple and a slice of cake, which was enough for Tom and me to go a sailing on till tea. We sailed along for days and days and had the very best of plays. But Tom fell out and hurt his knee, so there was no one left but me. In this poem, A Good Play by R.L. Stevenson, the poet tries to present his childhood memories and explains how contented he was with simple things in life. He is telling us that he was very happy with very simple things in life. The poem portrays a life of contentments and happiness with simple things in life. After reading this, you will realize that a life could be very happily spent with very simple things in life. So, let's read. We built a ship upon the stairs. The writer tries to make a ship upon the stairs, all made of back bedroom chairs that he was making with chairs and filled it full of soft pillow to go a sailing on the billows. The poet uses words such as stairs, chairs, pillows, nails, and pails to present the simple things that they had at home to play with without wanting for any other exorbitant toys. So after that, they just fill the chairs with soft pillows for going on a sail. Sail means when you enjoy a ride of ship. So that is called sail. Stairs was like billows means the waves of the sea. And after that we took a saw and several nails and water in the nursery pails. So they just taken several nails for making arrangement of the chair, for fixing the chair on the stairs, and they just took water in small bucket. And Tom said let's also take an apple and a slice of cake, and maybe his friend or his brother Tom suggested him that they should take an apple and some slices of cake, and that would be very enough for both of them to go a sailing on till tea. So for their evening play, that was very enough. We sailed along for days and days and had the very best of plays. But Tom fell out and hurt his knee, so there was no one left but me. So after that, what happened next? They enjoyed their play, but they enjoyed their play very long time. But what happened next? Tom just fell out from that ship type of chair, the chair that they made as a ship. He just fell out of that and he hurt his knee. And after, when Tom was hurt, there was no one but the writer was alone. So after reading this poem, you will realize that it is very easy to be happy in life with simple things. We can learn some lessons also from this poem. To be happy, it's not always needed so much things in life, and we should not be to take so many things. We could be so happy with very simple things in life. That was all about your poem. A good play. Let's see the questions of this poem. The poet built a ship with logs of wood, iron rods, bar of steel, and back bedroom chairs. The answer is back bedroom chairs. The poet and Tom actually sailed till tea is the correct answer. While sailing, Tom fell out, controlled the ship, dived into the sea, enjoyed himself throughout. The answer is fell out. Fill in the blanks and questions you will get as your assignment. We will discuss our next chapter in our next video. Till then, take care.